Hi friends, I'm Ruth and welcome to my channel Count Your Blessings. Today I'm sharing with you another haul video from Santhosh Superstores Nagar. You must be wondering I'm crazy, right? Maybe I am. Well, this is an Independence Day themed haul as August 15th is our Independence Day. So without further ado, let's get started. The first one is this foil balloon and this was priced at 23 rupees. I'm not sure of the size, so I just thought it looked pretty. Oh, it's quite big. How is my face? Ta-da! Peekaboo! Okay. Next. I forgot to include these in the previous haul. These are actually spray bottles that come in a pen type. And you fill in your sanitizer or whatever you want inside this. Close it, spray it, close it, put it in your pocket, put it in your bag. Travel easy. I bought 2 of these. These were priced at 26 rupees each. Next, I got this pretty tulle net material, and yes, it's in the tricolor. See, saffron, white, and green, and this is how it looks. Doesn't it look pretty? Moving on. I bought these 2 ribbons, printed ribbons. They were priced at 6 rupees each. Oh yeah, this was 20 rupees per meter. I got these ribbons. I am not sure what they are. Oh, I think you tie them around like this. Ta-da! It says, I love my India in English and in Hindi with your Ashoka Chakra in the middle. And it's got these 2 ribbons to attach. I also got this Nagar pattern. This actually is not very pretty because of the stitching, but this one looks prettier. Oh, it's got a plastic band. And it says, I love India in English, and it's more of the ribbony material. The ribbons that curl up on themselves, that kind of material. And it comes with a, ouch, I broke it. Alright, so this is how it is. Next I bought, ta-da! These were in different colors, and these are how they look. This is a smaller one and this is a bigger one. And yes, the smaller one was priced at 22 rupees and the bigger one was priced at 42 rupees, and it just says decorative item. I thought you could use these for something. And the final item were these pretty pins. It says India on top and has a small heart with the national flag in it. And I think this is a sticker. And yes, it is quite flimsy, but it was priced at 5 rupees per badge. I think it's, you clip on this badge like this. And I bought 4 of them. And that is it. Next I'm going to show you 2 Independence Day inspired recipes and a DIY badge.
I'm going to show you how to make a food without fire. First you need bread and you have to cut the corners out like this. And make sure you are using a knife which doesn't cut off your hand. You got to cut all the 4 sizes. After you cut it on the bread 4 corners, you have to have some tomato sauce, butter, and mint chutney. Then you take the first layer of bread and take some tomato sauce. You have to spread a layer. After you got the ketchup all around the bread, take another bread, take some butter and keep it on this plate, and take a knife and cut a slice of butter and put it in the bread and keep the butter back and spread it with the knife which you already. Then after you spread the bread with butter, you have to do you have ketchup here and you have to place it top where you didn't spread out the butter. And place another layer on the top with nothing put it on it. And take some mint chutney and put it on the layer which you put in nothing. Take some mint chutney, put it and back straight. Put some more. Now that you put in some mint chutney on the top, then take a bread which is covered with nothing, not even butter, and put it at the top. And then take a knife and cut across. A sandwich which is made out of not even a bit of fire. Second dish, I'm making a salad train. You need a red capsicum, a green capsicum, and cucumber, and 2 carrots. Now that your vegetables are cut, let's arrange them. Now take the mayonnaise, put it on the middle, and take the carrot wheels, and for each one there has to be 2 wheels. Now you take the cucumber and put it on the green capsicum, and take the carrots and put it on the red capsicum. Now your salad train is ready. Happy Independence Day!
Now let's move on to the DIY badge, and these are the things that we use to make it. We took crepe paper of the 3 colors of our flag, saffron, white and green, and then marked how much we wanted to cut, and then cut it with scissors. Then we took a small strip and we fan folded it. It is also called an accordion fold method. We repeated the same for all 3 colors. We arrange them side by side and then join them together with the stapler. We also staple the edges individually. After that, we took this ribbon that said I love my India, and we cut out a strip and we gave it a pretty edge. And we stapled it also to the badge. And then those pins that I had bought, we added that down. Then we added his name on top to make it a bit more personalized. And that's it. For more such DIYs and hauls, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to be notified each time I upload. Advance Happy Independence Day to everyone watching this. And until next time, take care, God bless, bye bye, Smile Jesus loves you.